Go to the studio. Click on the transactional process. Intelligent OCR. Try. Click on that work and main workflow. Remove this flowchart. Say before implementation, observe this one. What exactly the types here? See, intelligent OCR. Basically, we are processing the documents in that organizations. See, the documents are fixed formatted documents and varying formatted documents. What exactly the fixed formatted document? For example, if you have a invoice, okay, so all the documents are in same type. Those are called as fixed formatted documents. Okay, that itself we are going to implementing one process, then we can extract it. But if you have a varying formats, every time the document format is going to changing. So at that time, this is called as varying format. So, and this is called as unstructured documents. Okay. See, so varying format in the sense, I see you have a scan mails and then whatever that other documents are there. So that will be go to the unstructured documents. Okay. See, for unstructured documents purpose, you have to implement separately. Okay. Separate logic we have separately we have to implement your code. See, we have a we have a two formatted documents. One is called as structured, that is called as fixed formatted documents, and then another one is called as varying formatted documents. See, that is called as unstructured documents. See, separate processes we have to implement it. Okay, every time. See, observe this one. By using that intelligent OCR, we can handle both of them. That is called as fixed formatted documents and varying formatted documents. So this is called as semi-structured documents. The semi-structured documents we can process by using intelligent OCR. For example, I have an organization. So in that organization, I have several departments. Each and every department having their own separate documentation. Okay, so they have a separate documents are there. So we have to process that data, process that, all the data from each and every department itself. At that time, we have to use that intelligent OCR. So to implement that intelligent OCR, we have to follow few steps. That is called as define document taxonomy, and then that is the defined document taxonomy, and then load taxonomy and digitize document and classifying the documents, and then extract the data, and then validate extracted data, and then seventh one is called as export extract. So we have to follow these 7 steps. Observe this one. What is defined document taxonomy? In this defined document taxonomy, so it is a logical classification of various document types. Okay, so all the documents are grouped in this one. Okay, see, document groups and categories for easy to handle it, we are creating here. So for example, this is called as enterprise, that is called as organization, XYZ Private Limited. So in this XYZ Private Limited, we have a 3 sections, that is called as account section, engineering section, and production section. In account section, we are processing that invoices documents, and the engineering section, we are processing the drawing specifications, And then production section, we are processing that work instructions. In each and every department having their own documentation, all the documents we can able to process it by using intelligent OCR. Right now, see, the second one is called as load taxonomy. The load taxonomy activity, it is the activity in UiPath. So load taxonomy manager is available in intelligent OCR package. So once if you add that intelligent OCR package, automatically load taxonomy activity is available in that UiPath Studio. See, in this one, see in that whatever that, so define document taxonomy, whatever that enterprise you have created, that will be added to this load taxonomy. Okay, and then digitize documents. So whatever the documents, see in each and every department having their own documents, that is invoice in this say account section, they have a PDF documents. Engineering department, they have a images, that means JPEG files. In the production environment, we have a TIFF files. In each and every department having different kinds of files. Okay, see the digitized document in this one, basically to extract the data from the PDF image or any other formatted files. Okay, so here we have to add that file path as an input and returns that output is called as a text format. Okay, so here we have a, so we are going to creating that DOM, that is called as document object model. Okay, so it contains that properties, that is called as a document object model DOM. So it contains the properties. See, that means, so what exactly that one? In my invoice, I have a customer name that is called a string type, invoice date. So that is the date time type, and the invoice amount, integer type, that it will be separates here in this digit, in this DOM. Okay, classifying the document. Basically, so what are the document you are processing? The document type can be so identified. That means classified here. It uses it to identify the type of document, that is called as, it may be the PDF, it may be the image, it may be the TIFF file, it may be the PDF, it may be the image, it may be the TIFF file. Okay, and what are the document is there, that itself by using extract data. Here we are going to extracting the data based on the different types of extraction methods. Those extraction methods are called as form based extractor, and then regex based extractor, and then so ML based extractor. If you use that regex based extractor, no need to take the license. If you want to use that form based extractor or the or ML based extractor, we have to use that. We have to use we have to use that APIs. Okay, we have to take a license for that. And then whatever the data we are extracting from source itself, we have to validate the data. So it will be highlight that whether the data is properly or not. It will be so validate in this one, and then export extract. So right now it will be export the data to the destination. So it may be, you may be update the data to other Excel files, or it may be the displaying the data in the output panel like that. Okay, see, these are the 7 steps involved in the intelligent OCR. Okay, in this, to implementing this one, we have to use that several activities, that is called as load taxonomy, digitize document, and classify document scope, and keyword based classifier, and then so data extraction scope, and then form based extracted, and a present validation station, export extract results, and then for each activity, and then so output data tables, and then right line activity. Actually, what are the data I'm extracting? So that I want to display in the output panel. Okay, right now, just I want to minimize this one. See, observe this. There is a sample is the file, sample PDF. Here we have a one invoice is there. This is called as one invoice. Okay. So this invoice itself, I want to extract. So Azure interior, this is the customer name. So invoice date, it is the date time, and then so paid amount. So and then this is the integer data. This data I want to extract it by using intelligent OCR. Right now, just close it. First of all, first of all, you have to install the few packages. Okay, right now drag a sequence, set as start node. Click on that manage packages. Click on that all packages. Here, I want to install the package is called as UiPath dot intelligent OCR. Intelligent OCR dot activities. Click on that install and save it. First, you have to install the package. Observe this one. Right now, go to the manage packages. Okay, here, check it. UiPath.intelligent.ocr.activities. That package installed. Right now, I want to install one more package. Click here. Click on that all packages. So UiPath. Document understanding dot ml dot activities. Document understanding dot ml dot activities. Click here. Click on that install and save it. Observe this one right now. See, after installing that intelligent OCR, we have in this design ribbon. So one more new icon added here that is called as taxonomy manager. I will show you, no problem. And go to that manage packages. See, I want to install that one more package that is called as UiPath dot. So Omni page OCR. Omni page activities. Click here, click on that install and save it. See here, observe this one. First of all, click on the taxonomy manager. So here, just how to create that. So enterprise here, click on that add. Give that enterprise is called as, see, XYZ private limited. Click on that, save. In this organization, I'm going to creating the departments. So click here and click on that accounts. If you want to create another department, click here, add category, and then click here, and then see production. Click on that, save. So like here, you can create that many departments. All the departments will be visible here. So right now, I want to use that only one department. So that's why I want to remove that production department from here. So click on that as. Right now, observe this one. My XYZ enterprise, it contains that accounts. So in this one, I want to create that add new document type. Click here. Right now, this is called as invoice. In my in the department, I am processing that invoices. So group is called as XYZ Private Limited. Category is called as an accounts. And then right now, document type code. Okay. See, click on that new field. So customer name, C underscore name, customer name. Say type is called as text type. Click on that save. I want to create another one. So invoice date. This is called as date type, date data type. Click on that new. I want to create that another one that is called as paid amount. Paid amount. Click here. This is called as a number type. And then I want to select that country. Country. See, click here. It is also text type. Click on that save. See, already created the XYZ enterprise. In that one, there is an accounts department. In this one, we have a several. Okay, fields are there. See, click on that save. Observe this one. In XYZ underscore private limited, we have a account section. In that one, so we have a invoices. In case if I use that production section, after that, after this one, you will get the production. Okay. Right now, scroll this one and then click on that close. Once if you have done it, go to the project panel. Here, one new folder will be created here. Refresh it. So document processing is the new folder. Here, one JSON file created here. Observe this one. Click on that. So right now here, so XYZ Private Limited is the accounts department. Okay, and then there is a invoices and whatever it. Customer name, this is called as a string type. Invoice date, date data type, and then paid amount, number type, country, it is a text type. Each and every one, so is in JSON script here. Okay, generated the JSON script here. Right now, I want to drag that activities. Those activities is called as low taxonomy. Okay, low taxonomy. Whatever that, see, taxonomy manager is there. Whatever that enterprise you have created, everything, it will be added to that load taxonomy. Click here. So right now, click here. So control K, var load taxonomy. Right now, go to the variable panel. In this variable panel, observe this one. Here it is called as, see, UiPath dot document processing dot contracts dot taxonomy dot. So document taxonomy. Okay. See, click here, select that main scope. I don't know what exactly that this type. So that's why I have created this variable by using shortcut. Okay. See, after that, we have to use that another activity. That activity is called as digitized document. Okay, in this digitized document, I will check it. Digitized document. Right now, drag and drop. See, here we have to give that document file path. See, here, go to that. It is in desktop. So that's why, see, this is the invoice, right? Select this one. So click on that, select. And we have to create that output properties that is called as document text and then, so document text and so document object model. So that's why control K, where document text and right now control K, where DOM document object model. So right now, go to the variable panel, check it. This is the one is, so where document text is called as a string type and the DOM is called as again, UiPath dot document processing dot context dot com and document. Okay, this is the type. Right now here, we have to drag that OCR. Right now, I want to drag that Omni page OCR. Omni page OCR. I want to drag and drop here. So drag and drop. Okay, right now, observe this one. So after that, I want to take one more activity that is called as classify document. So in the classify document, just you have to check it. Observe this one. Classify document. Classify document scope. Drag and drop. See, observe this one. Here, give that file path, document path. So click here. What are that? My document file path is called as, see, sample PDF. So invoice and then see taxonomy. So already we have created taxonomy variable. The taxonomy variable, you have to add it here. Where load taxonomy and then document text. Here we have created where document text that we have to pass it to this one. Where document text and then see all are the input properties. Here also we have created the DOM. So that's why that you have to pass it here. Right now, var DOM. And then right now, create that output property. That see, if you want to say this one, so go to the properties. Whatever you have added, everything is available here. So right now, I'm creating that output property. The output property is called as classification result. Control K, var classification result. Okay, enter. So right now in this classifying document, see, in this classifying document, observe this one. We have to use that keyword based classifier, keyword based classifier, keyword based classifier in a sense. See, there is a keyword based classifier, drag and drop. So for the document separation purpose, we are using that keyword based classifier. Right now, click here and then, so right now, what are the JSON file is there? Just I want to copy and then, so create it, paste it. Oh, sorry. Go to my project panel and then here, whatever the demo is there, I want to remove this JSON script. Empty JSON file I have created right now. Okay, the keyword based classifier, it will be updating this in that so JSON file. Right now, click here. So processing and demo JSON file. Right now, manage learnings. Click on this manage learnings. Okay, and then so click on that. So new code set that is called as C invoice. Okay, just I have given that invoice. Click on that. Okay, and then so click on that configure classifiers. Click here. See, the classifier is called as, this is called as invoice type. Okay, click on that. Just you have to save it. Okay, already I have used the manage learning, right? Yes, here I have added that invoice. So right now, observe this one. After classification scope, classified document scope, you have to use that data extraction scope. Data extraction scope is called as data extraction scope. The data extraction scope is called as, see, the activity you have to drag and drop. Data extraction scope, drag and drop, and then see, here we have to give that. So document path is called as, it is in my desktop, and then see, there is an invoice file, and then here I add that taxonomy that is called as var load taxonomy. Many times we are using this variable, so that's why meaningfully I have to create it. So var document text, and then so classification result, var classification result of 0, okay, 0, and then var dom document object model, and then here extraction results, control K, and then var extraction result, okay, add it. Here we have to add that one more activity that is called as form based extractor or ML based extractor or regex based extractor. Okay, right now I want to see, there are, observe this form based extractor, and then machine learning extractor, regex based extractor. If you use that regex extractor, so no need of license. If you want to use that form extractor or ML extractor, you have to take a license. Right now, I want to show you form extractor, drag and drop here. Here, here we have to add that API. So if you want to add that API right now, so we have to generate that API. So that API is available in Orchestrator. Right now, I want to go to that Orchestrator platform.uipath.com. Click on that continue with Google account. And then, so right now, see, I want to use that Srekar account. At the rate 123. Right now, click on that. See, just a minute. Okay. Right now, observe this one. So if you want to get that API,
just click on the email. So there is a licenses page. Click on the licenses.
and then click on that robots and services. Click here. Right now, document understanding. Here, there is no API key. In case if you have any API key also, generate new. So right now there is no API key. So click on that generate new. So click on that generate. One API key generated. Click on that copy API. Okay. And then no need to open this. So orchestrator account. So click on that sign out. Sign out. Right now, observe this one. Here, I want to add that API here. So in that form based classifier, just double quotes, click on that add. See, right now, observe this one. Click on that manage templates. Click on the manage templates. Click on that create template. Here, this is the invoice. So template name is called as, so I want to give that invoice. Give any other name, no issue. So right now here, I want to select that file path. So that's why that is called as invoice file. So right now here, click on that configure. Click on that configure. So right now, click on that OK. Whatever the path is given based on that, your document opened here, right? See here, observe this one. Whatever the data you have want to extract, that you have to select it from here itself. So observe this one. First of all, we have to create that header. So that header is at least 5 characters. So 5 words. So that's why select that first one. So right now, just I want to select all of these. Okay. 2, 3, 4. See, observe this one. Press that control, select it. Okay. I have selected this one. Click on the plus. This is called as a header only. So here itself, next one itself, we have to select a customer name. We have selected. So this is the customer name. Just you have to select it by mouse. Then click on that custom area and click on that add. Okay. So then go to that invoice date. So right now, select that invoice date. This is the invoice date, custom area. Okay, click on that add. Right now, paid amount. The paid amount is here. So that's why I want to extract this amount. So right now, custom area, and then click on that add. Select that country. So my country is in the top. So this is the USA. So right now, I want to select that country. So selected custom area and click on that. Click on that add. Okay. Observe this one. See, actually I want to change it again, so that's why I have clicked here, and then so I'm selecting that again, custom area, click on the plus. Okay, your paid amount also. Okay, so right now, finally click on that save, click on that save, and then, so right now, click on that close. Click on that close. Right now, click on that configure extraction. So here, click here. See, observe this one. You have to select that values. Customer name, invoice date, paid amount, and each and every one. Click on that save. Right now, after data extraction scope, you have to use that present validation station. So go to that present validation station. Present validation station. Drag and drop. Right now, give the document path that is called as, okay, open, and then see where document text, and where down, where, so low taxonomy. So, and here extraction result, where extraction result. So right now, control K, where validated extraction result. After this one, we have to use that one more activity that is called as export extraction result. Export extraction result. Export extraction result. Drag and drop. See here in this one, input is called as, see, extraction result. Where validated extraction result, and then create that output data. So control K, where data set. So it contains that list of data tables. So right now, go to the properties. See right now, I want to use that for each activity. For each activity, drag and drop. Here it contains the more than one, so data tables. So that's why here you have to change that. See, the type is called as system.data table. Then here for each activity, you have to pass that var dataset dot tables. Okay, tables. Right now, each and every item contains that table. So that's why I want to use that output data table, and then right now, see, and right line activity, I want to drag and drop. See, observe this one. Here, go to the properties right now, var, okay, sorry, not var, it is called as item, it contains a table, create that output property. That output property is control K. So var string, okay, var string. Okay, right now, observe this. See, here you have to pass that var string. Right now, you have passed it. So I want to check it right now. See, So we have taken that many activities to process this one. So low taxonomy, digitized taxonomy, so omni-page OCR, so classifying document scope, keyword-based classifier, and then extra data extraction scope, form-based extractor, so present validation station, export extracts, and for each activity, finally use the output data table and then write line activities. Go to that output property, check it. Here is nothing. Okay, so right now I want to debug this process. So click on the debug. Observe this one. Right now it will be validated the data. See, observe this one. So it is validated Azure interior and then see the data 100% extracted. So invoice date 100% extracted. Actually, I didn't select the paid amount properly. So that's why not extracted. Country is extracted 100%. So click on that save. Okay, click on that save. Continue. It will be displayed. In this output panel, click here, Azure Interior, Noise and 2020 and Unwan. So United States. But unfortunately, I have missed that. So whatever that paid amount. Okay. So right now, actually, that we have used it manage templates, right? Or configure extractors. So not configure extractors, manage templates. Not this one. Okay, here create template, right? Invoice, select the document, invoice, click on the OK, and I'm not forcing this one. Click on that configure, click on that OK. So right now, first of all, I have to take the matchings. So this must be 5 words, 3, 4, and 5. Let's add, select one, click here, see, custom area, add the plus, click here, invoice date, you have to add custom area, add it, and paid amount, custom area, add this one. Right now, country, custom area, add it. Finally, click on that save. See right now, Click on it, close. Right now, I want to debug this one. Observe this one. Successfully I validated the data. It's getting that 100% result for customer name. So invoice date and then paid amount and then country. So right now, look here. This time, so in the output panel, you can observe customer name and then date and then invoice amount and then country name. Okay, successfully get it. This is the ICR, Intelligent OCR.